So hello everybody. Today we will going to solve one question of the lead code. Uh, 1 minute, just I want to check. Yeah, I have started the recording. So our today's question is rotate the image. So this is the question states that you are given to n cross n 2D matrix representing an image. So this is 2 cross 2 matrix. N cross n matrix of 2D n cross n 2D matrix representing an image. Then we have to rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise means clockwise means one will come to, like, for 90-degree change, one will come to third position, then 2 will comes to sixth position, 3 will comes to ninth position, like the whole row gets converted into the column. That's what we want to do. We have to do. Then the next statement is you have to rotate the image in place. Yeah, now next point is we have to rotate this image in place and without using extra space, as it said, which means you have to modify the 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix. Means we can do this by making one matrix and directly allocating the matrix by just like we will allocate one matrix. We will declare one matrix, and we will first write from first we will go from bottomwards, from, like, we will change the ij position and we will directly write from bottom to the top. So this can be one way, but we have to do this in place. And similarly for can considering second example 5 1 9 11. Now here the first row get converted into the last column, so we have to change it from rows to column, and at last column. For second row, second last column. For third row, third last column. Last row, first column. Okay, so after taking this question, uh, uh, I got an idea, like we can do such thing, like firstly we will, step one should be step one must be like taking the transpose of original matrix. So transpose of original matrix. Now taking the transpose means the, I will write there down here how it will look like 1 2 3. So it will be like 1 2 3, but in horizontal, sorry, in vertical fashion. So it will be like for horizontal way it should be like 147 will go as a 147 will go in the horizontal direction, like it will become 147 in first row. Then second row will be like 258, and third row will be like 369. So if I write down in this fashion, like, you will get a clear idea after I have write this like this. So this is the transfer of this first example. Now if we see this and the output which we get here, we can we can visualize that the first row which we have obtained after getting a transpose of the matrix is the reverse of the output. Like first row is 741 and here we got as a 147. Similarly second row 852 and here we got as a 258. Similarly third row 963 and here we got is 369. So the every row gets, after reversing the transpose, after this stage, if we consider step 2, if okay, so one second, if we reverse the every row, reversing every row will give us the final output, the final output. For example, I will write here once. So after reversing 147 it will become 741. Then similarly for second row it will become 8 or 5 and then 2, right? Second 2. Okay, now for third row it will become 9 6 and 3. Now to get a clear idea I will write it like this, then similarly this. Now we can see that this is the desired output which we are going to, like, which we are required at the answer, like it is the solution, or we can say the program. The what we have to do in the program is what Okay, so let it be. This is the output which we are required to do so. Like after doing certain operation, this should be the output of example first. Now similarly for second case, we have to do the same steps. So now I will try to write a program. So for transposing, like for step one, transposing can be somewhat difficult, but we can write it like this. So I will first uh, take the size of the matrix. So matrix dot size. Now as the matrix is a square shape matrix or n cross n matrix, so it doesn't matter if we take the rows or columns size. So here I have taken the column size. Now I will take one for loop and start from I is equal to 0 to I is less than n and I plus plus. Now I will take another for loop which will go from j, like we have to access the both rows and columns. So we have to take another another variable. So j is less than 0 to j is less than n and j plus plus. Now if we see this and the transpose of that, like this and this, which is transpose, we can see that the I this position is 0 1, 0 1 changes to first row, first column, 0th row, like 1 0 gets changed to 0 1. Similarly for 0 2 changes to 2 0. Similarly for this is 1 1, so 1 1 get changes to 1 1 only. Then this one is 1 2 changes to 2 1. So I can say that they are just swapping ith jth, swapping ij to ji. So I can write like this, like swap of which matrix is just as matrix, swap matrix m I, matrix of I, matrix of j, and matrix of j, matrix of I. Yeah, this is the, so after doing this we will definitely get the transpose of the matrix. So step one is over. So all of you must understand, all of you might understood what we have done in the step one. It is just swapping of ij to ji. That's it, not much difficult. Now next part is, if we have got this, then next part is too simple. We have to just change the row as reverse of the row, like we have to just reverse the rows. So for that I will write step 2. Now starting from for loop, as we have to write same like this, like no, we have to just we have to just reverse the rows. So we have to take only one loop. So I will take the loop from I to n, like we have to go through column wise, not row wise. So I will take yeah, sorry, column, not row wise, not column wise. So I is less than n and I plus plus. Now we have to right, reverse keyword, which is used to reverse the all entity which we are going to give in the brackets. So we have to reverse matrix of I dot begin, comma, matrix of I dot end. So this may be confusing part, but I will let you know how this works. So reverse the row. So for reversing any vector, we have to write v dot begin, like say v is a vector, so we have to write v dot begin to v dot end in the bracket, and we have to write reverse keyword in before this, or before the brackets. So similar to this, consider the matrix of I. Matrix of I means matrix of zeroth row, matrix of 0 for, let us consider I is equal to 0 case. So matrix of 0 will be like 1 2 3, like it consists of vector. Matrix of 0 will consist of vector 1 2 3. Similarly matrix of 1 will consist of 4 5 6, like the all the rows, like all the values present in that row is considered as matrix of, like it is a 1D, or we can say we all can also say that matrix of I is one type of vector. It consists of number of values. It consists of number of values, or we can say it consists of all the values present in that row. So this process, this for loop will reverse the only rows. Like it will reverse 741 to 147, 8522 to 258, and 9632 to 369. Okay, so this will reverse, and that's it. Our problem will be get solved, and it will give us output. Like I will write, like I will take a dry run and show the output. OUTPUT. Okay. After UT. Now, for by reversing the first column, we will get 1 4. Okay, 1 4, then 7. Similarly, I will get 2 5 2 5 and 8. Similarly, I will get 2 5 8. Then I will get 3, then 6, then 9. So to show it more, to show it in more proper way, I will write like this. Then again this. So now we are ready to go, and this is the required output which are okay. So I have just right here the reverse part. So this is the this is only the output. I have written the reverse of this output also. So this is only the output. We have to just reverse it after getting the transport. Now I will check the test cases. Now it is showing as wrong answer. Okay, let's see where we have got wrong. 1 2 3, 3 2 1, 6 5 4, 9 8 7. Okay, so what we are getting is uh, 3 2 1. Okay, so the this case is not going to matrix is no. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. I want to check first what is happening there. Swapping of matrix I j to j I, like 1 0 0 and 0 will change its position to 0 0 only. Then 0 1 0 1 will 0 1 will changes, it will change its position to 1 0. So 2 will go to the 4 and 4 will go to 2. Okay, now next step is matrix of reverse of matrix begin. So I will get 3 to 1 6 5 4. Now the step 2 is going perfect as it required. Step 1 is somewhat getting problems. Okay, I have to just recheck it 1 minute. So I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. Matrix of ij, matrix of ij. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. I want to cross check it with my calculation which I have done in my okay, 1 minute. Next permutation. Okay, I don't think I have forgot or left out something, but I will recheck it. Okay, so also one thing I want to tell you is to search any element in the map, the for ordered map, like it is for only ordered map, the time complexity is O of log n. O of log n is the time complexity to find any element in the map, similar to that of erase. To erase any element in the map, the time complexity is O of log n, and for unordered map it is O of 1 only. Okay, that's also over. I will check the question, our main question, once again. Oh man, why Guys, it is not swapping. It means swapping doesn't occur. So I will make this as comment. I'll comment it and check the what it will show after this. So this is showing as it is, no change. Oh fuck. I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. A swap of matrix of ij to ji. Okay, if I go like this, then I think it has, yeah. So we have to go until n by 2 only. Otherwise, it will again make the transpose till second half. So this, I think this will do a perfect justice to our like to our setup. Oh, now what? Six. I see. This to this to this. Yeah, this is the perfect way. I think this is the perfect. Oh man, that is going wrong and wrong. 321 654 741. 1 second, I have to recheck it. Okay, just I will check my submissions which I have done in the recent past. And here, oh, that's the major mistake. I think I have to go from j is equal to till I. Why I? Because I am doing the changes only from, like, I have to do changes for first row, then second row, and then third row. So for 0, I have to come across whole 0 1 2 of j, like this, and change it to 1 2 3. Then similar for second row, I have to take this and make this as for okay. So for this transpose, what we have done here is we are going from 0 1, like we are for this column. I will dry run it for you, your convenience. So first iteration, I is equal to 0. It will go to till j is equal to 0 because I is less than 0. So it will swap just I 0 comma 0 swapping is there only. Now in second iteration, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to okay, j will be like goes from 0 till 1, 0 only 0. So it will swap 0, it will swap 1 0 1, it will swap 1 0 to 0 1, to swap 1 0 to 0 1, because I have given the only I is equal to 1. So j will 0. Now j is for this, j is 0 and I is 1. Now j cannot be 1. For third iteration, I will be 2. Now in this case, whole next procedure is going to take place. Now j will become 0. J will go from 0 to 0 only. Now in this case, j will 0. So in this 0 comma 0 will also takes place, and then this 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 will takes. Now j will 0 to 1. So for this it will be like for 0, j 0 comma 2 is changed to 2 comma 0. Then again I will do this, 2 comma 1 changes to 1 comma 2. Now these are the only three iteration, like first swapping, then here comes the second swapping, here comes the third swapping, here comes the fourth swapping. Okay, now we get it 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Now this will remain as it is as it is the diagonal. So this will give us the desired output, and I think this time it will show us the, yeah, it is showing us accepted. So this is the final output I have to tell to you. So for transpose, just make sure that we have to go from I is equal to 0 to n, and for j we have to go from 0 till I. Okay, that's it for today. I'll try to submit this. If there is no bugs, it must give us the perfect answer. Yeah, and it's showing that the answer is going to be perfect. So this is the only for today. We will meet again for next video after on, yeah. We will meet in next video. Bye.